I've got to give it up. I've got to give it up.
So here we are in Weymouth this evening. I'm doing a ride round Portland and then have a ride around Weymouth. Bring you back in a minute.
Promise you, yeah. Dying inside, cause I want to, yeah. Didn't I say I wanted to, yeah. Honey, I've changed before you, yeah. 28 years are coming to end. The rain chased me down to Goldie again. Now I'm higher than anyone here, and that ain't nothing on me, yeah.
This is the old harbour.
But baby, I swear it, I wanted to call, but on my way around I happened to fall. She's a MUA, a Carnegie Hall, in a vanity mirror, we're losing it all. Where we shacked up with the band on the way, catch the sweet rain, the silent parade. In it I reflected all of the day, and I will fade in the night, yeah. Will you apologize for the remainder of your life? Do you accept the charges? I promise to, yeah. Well, then she curls up with his favorite son. He's the ugliest man in heaven for one. As long as there's nobody feeling me there, then there ain't nothing on me. Yeah, yeah, they threw me out like I was a wedding bouquet. Now I can't quite remember what I had to say, till I get higher than everyone here, and I will fade in the night, yeah. In the Chandler's corner, I promise to be gone.
All good. Tough climb. Tough. Just approaching the gate and the tunnel to the prison now. don't know if the cafe is open or not, but we'll find out. If it's open, I might have a cup of tea. Well, here we are at Vernon Prison. The cafe is closed, but I knew it would be. So we're on the ESL. I think we'll try and go to Portland Bill. Portland.
something wonderful. I believe she won't take me somewhere I'm not supposed to be. You can't steal the things that God has given me. No more pain and no more shame and misery. You can't take me down. You can't break me down. You can't take me down. You can't take me down. You can't break me down.
Here we are, just coming to Portland. Just turning dusk now. Might have to put the lights all the way back.
Standing out, calling all the people here to see the show. Calling all my demons now to let me go. I need something, give me something wonderful.
Been to Portlandville, so we're going to make our way back to Weymouth now and try and get a little bit of footage around the town at night.
deja vu. I swear they sound the same. It's like they know my skin. Every word they say sounds just like him. And it goes like this: we'll get in your car and you'll need to kiss me. We'll talk for hours and lie on the backseat.
going back to the van now.
And the moon bright the night when everything changes. You won't reply, I'ma go back to strangers. It always ends the same when it was me and you. But every time I meet somebody new, it's like deja vu. And when we spoke for months, what did you ever mean? How can they say that this is love?